Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, we are going to start NCERT book Geography. And before starting the very first chapter of this book, I just want to discuss one thing with you. As you know, on our way to school, we see various things like birds, animals, insects, trees, parks, vehicles, and the buildings. So, what are all these things? Yes, these all things are about our environment. So what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is about our environment. So the learning outcomes of our chapter will be, we will be able to learn about what is environment, components of environment, and what is ecosystem. Okay, so very first we will learn more about what is environment. So environment is the sum of all natural and man-made things present all around us. Okay, and the terms environment includes everything in our surroundings like people, places, things, and nature. And it is also a life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land where we live. And in the same way, it provides us food that we need to eat. And second topic is about our components of environment. So there are three types of the components of our environment. First one is the natural components, and second one is human, and third one is the human made components of our environment. So the natural non living elements which form the lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere, as well as sunlight. And second one is the human components, include human being and their families, religions, and education. And last one is the human made components, includes everything made by human, right? And my dear students, I just want to tell you one thing. This diagram is given in your content book, so you can take the help of your content book. So our next topic is about our natural environment. So natural environment is divided into two parts. First is the biotic environment, and second one is the abiotic environment. So what is biotic and what is abiotic? What is the difference between them? So biotic, first is the biotic environment. So biotic environment is the world of living organism. All the living things we can include in the biotic environment, right? Just like the plants and the animals or any other things you can add on it. Okay, and second one is the abiotic. So abiotic is the world of non living elements, right? On the non living things we can include in that, in the abiotic environment, just like the land, air, water, and as well as sunlight, right? And our next topic is about our different domains of the earth. So there are three types of four types of the different domains of our earth. First one is the atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere as well. So we will learn more about these. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is a Greek word lithos, which means rocks. It is a solid crust or hard top layer of earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by thin layer of soil. It is a irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, and valleys. It provides us forest and grasslands for grazing and land for agriculture and human settlement. And our next domains of the earth is about our hydrosphere. So what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is a Greek word hydra. Hydra means vapor, and as you know, it is there is about 71% of the earth is covered with water. It comprises various sources of water and different types of the water bodies like river, lake, etc. And next domains of the earth is our atmosphere. So atmosphere, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere consists of a number of gases just like ozone, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, dust and the water vapor. It protects us from the harmful rays and heat of the sun. And when there is a change in atmosphere, it will bring change in weather and climate. The last topic is about our biosphere. Biosphere is a Greek word bios which means life. ठीक है. So it the biosphere is a narrow contact zone on which we can find out the land, water and air. All the things we can find out on our biosphere. Okay, and last topic is about our ecosystem. So what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a system formed by the interactions of all living organisms with each other, right? So what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a relation of interdependence and dependence of plants, animals and humans. So my dear students, I hope it's all clear to you. This is all about this chapter. So thank you and keep watching the video.